Today we are going to be introducing the Tuffcare Rollators and Walkers.
This first product is a Freedom Cart Rollator.
The rollator is very simple and easily accessible.
You can see in the video how effortlessly the cart was rolled in. The Tuffcare Rollator provides support and accessibility.
It even has a basket to hold small items and trinkets. It's removable as well.
Foam bars and handles are very easy to use, making sure your hands never get sore. Tuffcare Rollator is not only good for walking, but it also provides a seat wherever you are, and is convenient when you need assistance as well.
The soft cushion provides exceptional comfort.
And seriously, it brakes on its own, making sure you don't roll down while you're sitting.
The back makes sure you are extra secure and won't slip backwards.
The lightweight and sturdy material makes it easy to bring around. It's only 14 pounds, including the basket below.
The colors of these rollators are stunning: candy apple red and deep blue.
The price for this product starts at only $125.
We also have a different option for larger users.
This is the extra wide Freedom Cart Rollator. This model also includes a bar and the same high quality basket.
All the Tuffcare products are very high quality.
Extra wide Freedom Cart Rollator has a weight limit of 450 pounds.
The cart is only 27.5 pounds, so it carries a lot of weight.
It is very easy to push, with a kickstand allowing you to easily tackle any curbs.
When pushing the cart, it is very easy and smooth to maneuver.
Our Freedom Cart Rollators have a 360-degree turn radius.
The cart in the back is the aluminum HEMI cart rollator.
Both the aluminum HEMI cart rollator and the extra wide Freedom Cart Rollator have the same features, including the handheld brakes. Remember, the Tuffcare Freedom Cart Rollator, the extra wide Freedom Cart Rollator, and the aluminum HEMI cart rollator are great products on the market. We are selling our rollators along with other healthcare products on Amazon.
Make sure to buy these amazing products on Amazon, located in the description box below.